I know that reading is a good habit, that's why I always try to get into it. But whenever I try to read a book, I end up getting distracted by literally anything else. Okay, I'm finally gonna start reading. Oh look, literally anything else! Before I realize, I always find myself doing something else completely different. Okay, here we go, I'm gonna finally start this book. What the fuck? Where did you come from? No, stay away. I'm going to read this book right now. How does this keep happening? What the hell? I've tried many times to get into reading, but every time it's the same thing. Okay, here we go. Wait. This is 600 pages. This is 600 pages! Fuck it, life's short, man. I mean, there's literally a bookmark from the last time I tried to read it years ago. Let's see where I stopped, huh? Page 24, huh? Well, I mean, oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, oh wait, the book starts at page 11. Whenever I read, whenever I try to read, I always end up nitpicking anything and everything. The book is kinda heavy, huh? Don't like the color. The font is too small. The edges are sharp, it hurts my fingers. Who can read stuff like this? And whenever I finally start reading, I take a short break after a few pages. Time for a short break. What's this? Damn it, I forgot! Reading is a good habit and I hope one day to pick it up and to start reading, more regularly. Do you read often? Tell me in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I wanted to thank everyone watching for the amazing support. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.